Drive the mast and anchor into the ground. You will need safety equipment for this step: gloves and safety goggles. First, make sure you are satisfied with the location of the tripod. Then, identify the point on the ground directly under the mast where the mast anchor will be driven. Move the tripod out of the way and drive the anchor into the ground with the driving rod to a depth of about 33.5 inches. Set the earth anchor by wrapping the excess cable around the drive rod and pulling firmly until you feel the cable give a few inches as the anchor is rotating underground. Install the ground rod. Position the ground rod 18 to 24 inches from the mast anchor. Slide the ground rod clasp on the rod. Drive it into the ground, leaving about 4 inches above the ground. Plumb the mast. Set the tripod in the final location and check the mast vertical level. Use the leg adjustment holes to extend or retract the legs until the mast is plumb. Torque the nuts and bolts. Tighten the bolts on the guy collar, mast, legs, and feet to 23 Newton meters. Check that the crossarm nuts are tightened to 9.6 Newton meters. Connect the anchor to the mast. You will need safety equipment for this step: gloves and safety goggles. Insert a cable thimble into the anchor point on the mast. Then insert the cable into a gripple. Use the arrows on the gripple as a guide. Loop the cable through a thimble, then back into the gripple. Tighten the cable securely around the thimble. Install the foot stakes. Confirm the position of the tripod and that it is level. When you are satisfied, use a hammer to drive 2 stakes into opposite corners of each foot.